what you want to do with your fairy, if she's meant to have a really short skirt or not. And then this is the hair. Now you can use all of this, but it does look rather a lot, I will be honest. So maybe you might have to shorten it a little bit, especially as it's meant to fit into the palm, and it's definitely going further than that. So what I would do is I would just tease a little bit off. Remember, when you're trying to separate wool tops, do it in counterintuitive. So you're not actually pulling very hard. You have to let the fibers slither away very gently, because you're not actually tearing them. You're allowing them to slither away. So make that a little bit shorter. Might even need to be shortened a little bit more. All of this will become hair. So if you can see how long it is once it's fastened on top of the head, it will be quite long still by her side. So once you've got the right length, you twist the strand in the middle twice. So this is the middle here, and now I'm going to twist it once and twice. So I've got a little, almost like a little moustache with a double twist in the center here. Got some white fibers on there as well. I might have to turn my mat around because it's very sparkly and white. So my twist stays in the middle, and now you are going to place that twist onto the top of the fairy's head. Can you see how that is instantly creating sort of a quite fancy hairdo right here on top? And now all you're going to do is you're going to start by felting the wool on, so that you don't have to hold on to it anymore. It doesn't cover all of the back of her head yet, because I just need to get it onto her, felted onto her head, so that it doesn't like come off. Allow that keep that twist there, because that is part of her fancy hairdo. And once you felted it on, make sure it falls into the face nicely, because then she has this beautiful sort of little face looking out of it. Then you turn her over and look what's happening at the back. And you can now, let's get these arms out of the way. And now you can sort of arrange it so that it's falling over the back of her head. Now you're going to put the wings into the middle there. So don't have the hair completely come together at the back, because the wings need to fit in between those two golden strands of hair. But you can felt that on now, and she's got these beautiful strands of hair falling down on her back and around her side. And the front still looks like a special hair style. It's a really easy way to fasten hair on. I'm not stabbing too close to the edge of that twist, because I want it to be nice and soft, framing her face. And then whilst we're at it, we might as well give her some eyes. So for this, you've got this huge amount of